This is a video about job searching. My colleague Jonathan Torres and I are going to be doing this for you today. Everything we say here is based on our library guide, which is located at libguides.rutgers.edu/jobs, and that is the best information we have about job searching. So that's there 24/7. I would also like to invite you to look at libguides.rutgers.edu/business for over 85 business guides. And especially if you are new to doing business searches, this business guide will help you a lot. So let's take a look. First of all, it starts with you. The first thing you should do is contact the Career Development Center, and that information can be found under the Help tab in the Jobs Guide. And then there is also information on the guide about the difference between a curriculum vitae or a resume. And it's important to know the difference because if you're going into the business world for the first time, you do need a resume, which is a rather short document. But if you're going to be looking for a job in certain other places, such as academe or the grantsmanship area, anything like that, you're going to need a curriculum vitae. So we have information on our guide about that as well. And then definitely when you contact the Career Development Center, let a career advisor help you to create effective CVs or resumes. And you might need more than one CV, and you might need more than one resume. It's possible that if you have several different branches of your job search, you would want a document for each one.
And of course, you would use a cover letter to fill in the details for a particular job. But just keep that in mind.
For some people, figuring out what you want to do is your first step. So we have a tab called Explore Career Options, and there are a number of different items there. You can take advantage of them. We have a career interest game. We have a self-directed search. Please feel free to talk to Jonathan Torres, jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu, or me, Roberta Tipton, tipton@rutgers.edu. And we're going to go live now and look at some databases, Business Source Premier, and also IBISWorld. So one moment, please. We're going to switch over.